So hi everyone, welcome back once again to daily job sharing series. Basically we share job openings. So today is 15/3/2026. But before starting, today we have a lot of openings which is for the freshers and a lot of experienced people. So today before starting, this is a disclaimer. So just check it out because we are sharing a lot of things here. Okay, so I don't want you to be a part of any scam. So just read the disclaimer at first. Now let's get started. So this is the first opening which is in McJoe Cybersecurity. So they are hiring for cybersecurity pen testers, web automations, and they want remote and they want intern, right? They want interns, and 8 to 12 weeks will be the working contract duration of your internship. This is the mail ID on which you can drop your resume, right? Now the next opening is basically again for the freshers. Okay, so basically what they are hiring for cybersecurity intern. This is the mail ID on which you can drop your resume. In case we are not getting response, you can call this number. And again, it doesn't want any specific experience, but if you have 0 to 2 years of experience, you can do, right? Next opening is again cybersecurity alert, which is for cybersecurity team. They want someone who can do web application pen testing, mobile application pen testing, cloud security, data loss prevention, SOC and red team. These are the positions for which they are looking for. So if you have knowledge, you can apply. This is a mail ID on which you can drop your resume, right? Now the next opening is ProTVT, right? This is a mail. They for cybersecurity application security engineer. It's in Bangalore, and they are the skills which is required, right? This is, you can see, and they want someone who can immediate join. And guys, this tag means they are having a great place to work, and this is mail ID on which you can drop it, right? Now next opening is basically 1 year of full-time experience is required. Meanwhile guys, if you're looking for an internship on SOC, because there's a lot of hiring, so you can check out the URL vihgroup.com/SOC for get an instant 100% internship, right? You'll get a training and all those things, right? Anyways, so this is full-time experience required. L1 Mumbai. Roles is cybersecurity application security person. Key responsibility be all those things, required skills and experience, and the other qualification which is required, right? It's a Mumbai based job. This is on site, and this is mail ID on which you can drop your resume, right? And just check it out guys. There's a lot of hiring, right? Next one is like 6 month to 1 years of experience required for the position of cybersecurity analyst, SIEM endpoint security, which is in Chennai, immediate or within 30 days. Local candidates is more preferred. And the other key skills which is required, like you should have knowledge about SOC and all those things. SOC like SIEMs and endpoint security tools as well. They are the key responsibility, monitor analysis of security event, SIEM tools and all those. This is a mail ID on which you can drop your resume, right? This is Gmail, so make sure to authenticate at first. Now the next opening is basically someone looking for a freshers in cybersecurity. First, it will be unpaid internship for the 2 months. Then there will be VAPT, 2 to 4 years of experience is required. They can able to join 1st April 2026, and SOC fresher, GRC freshers is required. Work from home is there. If you are from Mumbai, it's well and good. And this is not work from home, right? You need to work from the office. CS certified from EC Council will be plus point, right? The other things, a mail ID on which you can drop your resume. Just write the subject line. Next one is kickstart your career in cybersecurity technical trader. So they want someone who can provide training. Splunk tech support is also the position. The other requirement, the other things you should be capable of, you should be have all those things, right? It's a duration of 6 to 9 months, 15,000 per month they are going to pay you. This is full-time work, and this is what they are looking for, right? This is the things you can see, and this is the mail ID on which you can drop it, right? Now next opening is basically, guys, it's for 8 to 10 years of experience. One of my friends just sent me a message, so they want this person 8 a.m. to 6:30 you need to work. Company is Cyber Arc MSP. Okay, they want 6% those who can work on this. If you want to apply for this opening, just let me know in the comment box. I can give you a reference. Now next opening is cybersecurity fresher. Someone want, right, who can apply? Freshers intern in cybersecurity who are interested in CS certificate will be a preferable, right? VAPT and all those knowledge should be with you. Info@0-day@in is the mail on which you can drop your resume, right? Now the next opening is cybersecurity expert, 5 to 7 years of experience required. Application security is a job title. This is Bangalore based job, and this is what you can see. Certificates is this, and this is mail ID premkumar.m@kia.ai, right? Kia. So now the application security tester is the position which is required. Application security tester, Bob suit, Qualys, SAST, DAST, all the knowledge is required. 3 to 12 years of experience is required, and this is like Hyderabad, Bangalore, Chennai based job. Both round will be virtual, and this is what the responsibility will be assigned to you. This mail ID on which you can drop your resume, right? Now, next opening is basically they are hiring for one of the top MNC direct client hiring. 3 to 6 years of experience is required. Only immediate joiners can do. Skills is what you can see here. This is the mail ID on which you can drop your resume, right? Now, next opening is basically MDM VMware engineer KSA DLP SOC analyst, and this is what you can see. And you can apply through this mail ID, and this is contact number. In case if they are not responding, you will be having a superpower to just call them, right? Now that's all what we have. Cyber Coffee, one more channel we have, right? You can check out, and this is TCI training of internship program. If you want to learn web application pen testing, check out this URL. If you want to learn about SOC, check out this URL. So that's what we have. Thank you very much for watching this video. You can join our Telegram channel. Have a great day. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.